Hello student, welcome to this my Mathematrix channel. Please share and subscribe this video and give your comments. Now in this video we'll see simplify first a plus b plus c upon a raised to minus 1, b raised to minus 1 plus b raised to minus 1, c raised to minus 1 plus c raised to minus 1, a raised to minus 1. This problem we are writing as it is. Now see here a plus b plus c as it is. Here minus index is there, you know that, you are very familiar. So 1 upon a, b will come here. Here see multiplication is there, so directly you can write 1 upon ab, both having index 1 here positive. Now because it's become a reciprocal of this a and b, so 1 upon, so same here 1 upon bc will come plus 1 upon ca. So now a plus b plus c as it is. Now here three fractions are there at denominator place, three fractions are there. We have to add that, make the LCM first. So LCM means denominator we have to make the same. So for denominator, making the denominator same, we required LCM. So here see in rough place I am doing this. So here AB, ABC and CA. Here see 2 are common, so A will come. In B, here B is here, so B will come. C here C. So here this is the LCM. The LCM means this common denominator will become, or denominator same. So okay, see your a plus b c as it is, then denominator become abc. Now abc is there and here denominator, so this you have to multiply by, here see abc is there, only AB is there, C is not there, so you have to multiply by C here. Here now BC is there, A is not there, so multiply by A. Means we are comparing this ABC. CA is there, B is not there, so multiply. So what will come? 1 into C plus 1 into A plus B into 1 into B, so like this. So now here A, B, C as it is. Now upon here what will come? Here C plus A plus will change the order. First we'll write A plus B plus C. See, okay, upon ABC. Now here this is the fraction, and here A plus B plus C, denominator is not there, that means it's having denominator. So we'll write A plus B plus C upon 1, that means this first denominator. This is here I shown here by this green color bracket, that means here this is one fraction, so reciprocal of this a b c upon means division, you know that division we are writing multiply and reciprocal of this fraction. So abc upon a plus b plus c. So here see this bracket will make the bracket, this bracket are same, so it can be divisible, that answer will come 1. So here total multiplication will 1 upon ABC upon 1, that means it is a final answer, your ABC. Very simple, just you have to use the whatever basic knowledge, addition of fractions or division of a fraction, that we have to study. Now solve for that, we have to use solve for x, 3 raised to x equal to 1 upon 3. Now 3 raised to x as it is, 1 upon 3 means reciprocal of this 1 upon 3 is 3, so index will become 1. Here index is not there, that means it is a 1. So here now it's become a 3 raised to minus 1. And so see here base is same, so index is also same. So within one step we are getting answer x equal to minus 1. Very simple. Then here 3 raised to 2x plus 1 equal to 1. Now see here quite students will get confused, that means here 1 is there, base is not same. See here base is same, but here 1 value means what? A raised to 0 equal to 1. So what we will do here, base is 3, so we will bring 3 raised to 0. Value of this 3 raised to 0 is 1. Means instead of this 1 we are writing 3 raised to 0. Now we got the index, base same, so index will also get same. So 2x plus 1 equal to 0. Okay, so 2x, this minus 1 is transposing this side, 2x equal to minus 1, x equal to minus sign as it is 1 upon 2. Here 2 means it is multiplication, so it's upon will come transposing this side. So for x equal to minus 1 upon 2. So practice this all examples, you will get the good idea of the indices and easily you can solve the mini questions. So thank you for watching, and please share and subscribe this video.